How to make a new account in Mobile Legends on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a new account in Mobile Legends on iPhone. First, go to the Mobile Legends app on your mobile phone. Then, create a character and select your country. Next, choose the hero and hit the Create button. After that, it will take you towards the game and start playing. Here, it will show you different tutorials and ways to play the game. That's how you can make a new account in Mobile Legends on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.